I graduated 1999 sa Veles College. And then after graduation, I got married and everything. Tapos, so parang na-push aside yung pagiging PT ko. Kasi nanganak and everything. Mahirap talaga sa Philippines before yung time namin kasi wala masyadong PT in the hospital and everything. So, ang ginawa ko, like, I'm more on nag-volunteer sa hospitals in Cebu and everything. Makakuha ng outpatient. And then, na-realize ko, lumalaki yung mga anak ko. I said, I think I can't really afford para mag-send yung mga anak ko in the, like, sa school and everything. Wala masyadong work for me. Nag-try ako naghanap and everything, pero mahirap kasi yung time namin, kailangan may PT ka na, dapat may TOEFL ka na, dapat may experience ka for like how many years. Sabi ko, my God, locals lang yung meron ako. Tapos, ang hirap talagang maghanap ng agency. So, kailangan mo talagang like gumastos, like everything. And then, sabi ko, okay, maghanap ako. Tapos, wala talaga akong mahanap like for ilang years. Almost ako mag-give up.